welcome you guys back to Griffin's Industrial Welding School. Again, my name is Mr. Griffin. Today we're going to go over how to use a stainless steel electrode, a 308 rod. It's called an E308. We're going to use this on carbon steel in the 2G position today. So I'm going to show you how to run a bead and then how to overlap that bead using a 308 rod. Okay? So come with us. We're going to have a good time today. All right, so whenever you're doing the 2G position, first you want to check your amperage. You want to keep your amperage around about 150, okay? As far as your electrode, you normally want to keep your electrode facing up because gravity is going to pull the bead down. So you always want to have a nice angle on your electrode whenever you're doing the 2G position, okay? You normally want to tack it to where the plate is about chest level, okay? You want to be chest level, so that way you're really right in front of the plate. So I'm going to go ahead and run a bead for you guys, okay? Watch your eyes. You always want to keep your angle up with the rod, with the electrode. Keep it close and let it glide. Okay. You see how hot this rod gets? The rod gets very hot. See how it's lit up? Okay. So you gotta give it a second to cool down. Once it cools down, you take it out. It gets very hot. And we're gonna clean it. Okay, watch your eyes. Okay, so as you can see, the bead comes out real nice and smooth. Okay, nice straight bead. All right, so now I'm going to overlap that bead. Okay, whenever you're overlapping, you want the puddle to barely graze the top of that bead. That way you get that nice, perfect overlap that you're looking for. Okay. Make sure you have a good angle on your rod. Make sure your rod has a good rod angle. All right, watch your eyes. When you see, keep that cadence at 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You keep your rod close. You never get ahead of that puddle. And you keep the same cadence. Keep that same cadence the entire time. The bead will come out nice and smooth. Same cadence. Okay, see the rod is red hot. So you gotta give it a second to cool down so you don't burn yourself, so you don't burn your gloves. Let it cool down for a second before you pull it out. Okay? All right. Okay, watch your eyes. Okay. So that's a good way for you to overlap the bead. Okay. So the key is to just let that puddle really graze the top of the bead. That's how you get a real nice overlap on it. But this is just one of the many things that you guys will learn when you come here to Griffin's Industrial Welding School. And remember, here at Griffin's Industrial Welding School, we're more than just an educational facility. It's a lifestyle.